Hello.
Damn. Did you shower?
No, dude. Hella rushed.
Dude, I didn't get this shirt. Dude, I was so sad.
It's like this, only like the second time I wear it.
Yeah, but I've never gotten it.
It was in the back of my car for like all year. But
No, you didn't.
now that we're done
You
here,
didn't tell me.
now that we're done here at Ongo,
Let me get your loaf.
Why don't you tell us, Chino?
tell you what.
Hey, Chino, why don't you tell me?
Tell you what.
Chino has been keeping secrets from all of us, guys. He got a downpipe, he got a splitter, he got all the supporting mods for the downpipe, and now look what he's holding.
Hey, Chino, what is that? That ain't a boomerang.
I think it is.
A ver, throw it.
This is the front, you think?
I think it's the front part, the right side.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, Chino, that's crazy. All right, yeah,
How does
it goes out quite a bit, huh? 55 mil, he said.
Yeah, I think that's what it said.
But yeah, it looks like it comes down all the way to the lip, and then it ends right here with this much gap. This is one of the biggest secrets that Chino's been keeping from us. When did you decide that you were gonna flare it, Chino?
I don't know. 2 months ago, I think.
We're not completely sure just yet when Chino's actually gonna flare it. Right now we're on our way to meet up with the guy that did my flares and my paint job. He's the one that's probably gonna be doing your flares, Chino?
Yeah, most likely. I like the way his came out. I don't want to get him molded, so I think it'll be easier. But we'll see. We'll see what he says.
We're gonna go meet up with him. He wants to see the flares and like kind of just test fit them on the car. That way he can actually give Chino a quote for how much he's gonna charge him to do this. From the looks of it, it does look a little bit easier because my flares were fiberglass and these are more like of a plastic type of material. Right, Ongo? We met up with the painter and we talked about Chino's flares, and long story short, he pretty much said
It's too much of a time crunch from here to Subi Fest.
so he's also going to be doing Diego's flares, which means that he would be working on 2 cars within like the next month, huh?
30 days.
So he would have to get 2 cars flared before Subi Fest, and it's
paint
just
matched.
yeah, it's too much work. So I think what Chino's gonna do is probably
Just wait after.
wait, till after. If he does take it in right now, there's a chance that he won't have it before Subi Fest, and he won't even have a car just to drive. Like even if it's not flared, he won't have a car to drive down there. With that being said, you guys are probably wondering when Diego's car is gonna get flared and when it's gonna go in, and that's kind of why we're here at his house. Diego finally got his flares in today. That's pretty much the last piece that Diego needed for his car to go in and get flared and get all color matched. So what's up, Diego?
What's up?
Are you excited?
Yeah, dude, let's check it out.
Damn. Yo.
Feel it, dude. Feels hella soft.
I feel like they feel better than before.
I don't know, cause he was telling me that, dude, they're like literally like, they were done this like last week. So
Oh,
like,
these are
dude,
barely just done?
They're fresh, bro.
Guys, the flares are here, but the thing is, Diego does not want to rush this. So it could be done by Subi Fest and it could not be. It just depends on how long our painter takes to finish them up. But like I said, we don't want to rush this.
Look, Marco's legs, dude. His calves.
No? I better look at it from the front.
Hey, put the rear. Hey, put the rear one, cause remember the front ones are different.
Are they?
Yeah. Do they fit?
I mean, they'd fit good if you didn't have spats.
Like that's what like we always tell everyone about the bumper, dude. This
yeah,
little
look-
part right here.
Look how fresh they are. Guys, great news. Ongo has decided to flare his STI. Just kidding. Ongo would never.
It's Kratos from God of War.
Would you ever cut into your car?
No.
Like ever? Never?
No.
Hey, let me take out my car.
Let's do it. Move your car, Ongo. Oh. But Diego's gonna pull out his car, that way we can test fit some of the flares just to see how they're gonna look. These flares are literally brand new, untouched, so we should have a lot better fitment than the ones that he used to have before.
Buddy, it's time to upgrade to some new wheels.
Hmm?
And then give these to Ed.
Did you stop?
They put it in reverse, dude.
So let's go ahead and test the rear flare first. Let's see.
No, I don't know if it's like a fuse or something.
There we go. Ooh. First impressions is these fit so much better. They just, look at that, they hug every single corner. Maybe the rear needs to be pushed in a bit, but.
Dude, that looks sick.
Hold this side on. I'm gonna take them. Look at that. What do you think?
That's sick.
It looks so good. The
feel like
fitment's so much better.
I feel like it fits good, dude, like compared to the other ones. These fit way better from the top, cause last time I got them, they had a lot of gaps right here. But dude, it looks like they did a really good job with like the mold and all that stuff.
These are definitely gonna have minimal amount of body work to get them to fit, because they're already pretty flush right now.
Yeah. And I got new ones is because my painter Isaac is gonna be like doing custom work on these flares, so he'd rather have like a brand new set so he can like work on them individually and all that stuff.
Look at it from the side. That looks so good.
That looks hell. Dude, they look like yours, bro.
They fit.
Dude, way better.
Ask him.
Ask me.
Should I run the front piece or no? What's your opinion on that?
Well, I don't even know how it looks with the front piece.
So,
I don't know. See, look at that.
front piece.
That wasn't made for that bumper.
It wasn't made.
Well,
for
it's not, because this is a Pro Drive.
Yeah, so you can't.
And the thing is, Diego doesn't want to run it because that bumper is pretty expensive, and they're rare.
So like, if I want to sell in the future, I can still get some like decent money out of it instead of it like having like,
two holes.
Or like, even if I were to do it like Danny's, which would be sick, custom, I'd rather just have this. Like, I don't know, dude. That's like my favorite thing out of the whole car.
We want to give a huge thank you to Jose over at Carlton Flares. He definitely took care of us. He understood Diego's situation and just awesome customer service. And now the flares are here, ready to go. I hope you guys are excited. This is the last piece that Diego needed before his car goes into the body shop. When does it go in?
Probably in the next like 2 days, 3 days.
Oh,
so it's gonna.
I thought you were gonna say weeks.
No, dude, he's waiting. He told me we've been waiting on the flares. So he said whenever the flares come in, let me know. That way we can like start them ASAP. And then that's why I'm like waiting for him to like call me right now. Something else that came in the mail the other day were these white line end links. I had to get them because when we did the whole swap, that was like the only problem we ran into.
So when we did the 6-speed swap, Diego actually didn't throw in the STI sway bar, so this is the one that actually came with the 6-speed. I think his car currently has different end links, and that's why he just bought upgraded ones. That way we can swap these onto the WRX sway bar. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna have to end up throwing on the STI sway bar. Why didn't we throw this on? What did Javi say?
I think the WRX one was like a little bit more thicker.
Oh, it's thicker,
So
huh?
it was like, it's better.
Okay.
So it makes sense because like once you look at the WRX end links, they're like a little C, and then these are like have these two little circle things. So they're different because I was under the car looking at them. But then I can't reuse these end links because the boots are ripped.
Ah,
Like,
okay.
So that's why I just decided to send it on some new end links.
So as you guys can see, those match up perfectly. So technically they should fit.
They're the same, dude.
Do you remember when we used to do installs in here?
Dude, yeah.
Back in the day.
Dude, there was
when
a
it was
video-
cold as hell.
Dude, there was a video, bro, when I'm like, I didn't have a car, bro. I didn't have a Subi. And then I was like, I'm gonna get a Subi one day. Weird, bro. It's like weird how like time flies and all that. And then like, I have a car, you have a car. Like, I don't know. We just done like hella shit to the car. It's tight.
Every time Diego's not looking, we always put his antenna all the way up because it...
Dude, like, what? Dude.
He hella caught me.
Dude, last time I drove home and it was like this, and I'm like, fuck.
These are Diego's old flares, so whoever... What, Diego?
You guys want to buy them? Hit us up on Instagram.
Cheap, yeah.
I'll hook you guys up.
Oh, fuck. Dude, I like your back seats. They're comfy. That's one of the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in.
Look at that, bro. Fucking JDM seats in the back.
Uncle's gonna man up and
Here.
drive Diego's car.
Here.
There's nothing hard about it.
Hey, be careful, cause I low key like dude, I get pulled over in this car a lot. Fuck.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I was scared.
You didn't know the mod I put into it? Like no one knows about it. You look, you go like this, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it turns on, dude.
Hey, if you stall, you buy us food.
Or if you shift wrong. If you shift wrong, you buy us
How do I shift from? What do you mean?
like you
It has to be a smooth,
like
buttery.
a good drive. Too.
No. You can't over rev either.
So we just met up with our painter and he checked out the flares and he said that he should be able to get it started this weekend or on Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. So if you guys are excited, give this video a thumbs up and then we'll catch you guys in the next video.